Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this is, and then make sure your radio's turned on. And then under here, we can do this phone, or we can do setup. So under setup, number 3 would take you to phone. And then here we can scroll, with this one, there's the pair phone, and there's a limited number of phones you can have. So you might need to delete one first before adding a new one. So let's say we want to delete this. Delete, yes. And then once this is completed, we'll have room for an additional phone. In the meantime, from your phone device, make sure you got your Bluetooth on, which is that symbol. And often if you push and hold, it'll take you to pairing menu. So pair new device. And then from your vehicle here, we'll go up to pair phone and select.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
So we're still searching. Sometimes this might take 2 or 3 tries.
On your device, select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
So Kia Motors, where it says there. And then we're going to confirm these numbers do match, which it does. And then if you want your call histories and things to sync, you can have that checked. And we're connected.
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
So now that that's connected, you can take phone calls, typically listen to music. On newer models, you might also be able to sync up maps and navigations, that sort of thing. But here under media, Bluetooth audio, that's what we're going to look to for playing music. And if you're having issues getting it to play, make sure you've got your music playing on your device. And then also make sure your volume's on. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.